Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to see Apple ID password. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to see your Apple ID password, so let's see how can you do that. So you just have to simply open your settings app and here just tap on your Apple ID and here just select iCloud and you just have to select passwords from here and you have to make sure that this toggle is enabled. So if this toggle is already enabled, you can easily see your Apple ID password. But if it's not available, so sorry, you're not able to see your Apple ID password. So if it's enabled, so this is simply you just have to simply go back, tap on this search option here, and just will search for passwords app. So you can easily search for PSS password. You'll get that app here. Just tap on the passwords app. Here you have to verify yourself using your iPhone passcode or your Face ID. Then select this all option and here you'll see all the passwords you have saved into your passwords app. So we just have to select your Apple from here and here's your username and here your password. You just have to tap on your password to see your password. You can also tap on this share option to share your password to anyone. You can also share it just using airdrop. So in this way you can easily see your Apple ID password on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.